China is by far the worst performing major market over the past 3 years, which made the Chinese premier say the following: we must take more powerful and effective measures to stabilize the market and confidence. Hey everyone, my name is Amol Desai, and this is Inner Workings, the China edition. How bad really are things in China? Let's take a look. Property transactions are negative since mid-2021 and fell 26% in December. Remember, property prices are an important indicator for China. While the rest of the world is concerned about inflation, China is now fighting deflation. This is clearly a major problem, as consumer prices have been negative since mid-2023. Last year was also the weakest year for foreign direct investment in many decades, and some sources are indicating net capital outflows by the fourth quarter of last year. This is by far the biggest challenge that China faces today. Leading indicators are bouncing off the bottom, again indicating some of the worst growth in the last few decades. New export orders, which are a good leading indicator for industrial production, declined all of 2023 and aren't showing any signs of rebounding. Money supply, despite a lot of government measures, is slowing quite rapidly, as you can see in the chart. And all of this is in the backdrop of the central bank balance sheet that has actually been growing quite rapidly over the past few years. But look, it's not all gloom and doom. There are some positives. Let's take a look at those. Unemployment rate has ranged between 5 to 6% and actually improved last year. Retail sales also improved and look very strong, growing almost 10% by the end of last year. Auto sales, which are also kind of all over the place, but grew most of the past year. And then after being locked up for multiple years, Chinese people clearly want to travel, and is reflected in very strong air traffic growth. So there are some negatives, there are also some positives. The biggest issue is fractured foreign investor confidence. So while there's no question that Chinese authorities can put a floor under the market, the bigger question is, how can China restore foreign investor confidence? So that's it for the China edition of Inner Workings. My name is Amol Desai. Thanks for watching.